It was not less than 19 years ago when the worst tsunami of the time hit our coast. Its aftermath was devastating. More than 2 lakh people died, and all of this happened due to no proper warning system at that time. The main causes of tsunami are large earthquakes, underwater volcanic eruptions, huge landslides, and asteroid impacts.
Most of the tsunamis occur in the Ring of Fire, which is a region around the Pacific Ocean. It is also the home to 75% of world's volcanic eruptions and 90% of world's earthquakes. What can we do to overcome the destruction caused by tsunami?
Here comes the need for a prototype, the Pacifico. Our prototype will be placed in the Ring of Fire and is capable of reducing the flow of a tsunami. The features of the prototype as follows.
Its body is made up of tungsten, as it gives high resistance to withstand the waves of tsunami, and the wheel is made up of osmium, which is one of the heaviest metal, to provide maximum aid in reducing the force of tsunami.
As the high-powered tsunami wave enters the mouth of our model, our wheel provides high resistance to the wave, slowing the force down by its maximum. At least 50% of the force is reduced and exited through the back of the model. Our model creates solar energy through the solar panels on top of the model and tidal energy through the wheel in the center of our model.
The tidal and the solar energy will be transmitted wirelessly via the Tesla coil. If we include wires in our project, there is a huge risk of short circuits. It could cause huge damage to marine life and also ruin our entire model. We have put flotation devices on all around the project, which have an inbuilt pressure sensor. They will sense the high waves and send signal to the Tsunami Information Center, which can save thousands of lives.
The circuit of the mini floater as follows.
Even if there is no tsunami, our project will not be a waste, because it will generate energy indefinitely in form of solar and tidal energy and lead to sustainable development. By this, we may conclude that our project contributes to better mankind and sustainable development based on all of its aspects.
Feel free to visit our website anytime. A glimpse of the website as follows.
The hand-in model of Tesla coil, which will be used for energy transmission, is as followed. The Tesla coil is powered with a 9-watt battery. The transistor is connected to the battery, which will help to amplify the current. The amplified current will depend upon the number of turns in the coil. The Tesla coil hence converts air into conductor and lights up the fluorescent bulb.
We hope you like our efforts. Aiming for a peaceful world. This is Ring of Fire signing off. First, starting with the size of the model is going to be 50 foot tall, as the average size of tsunami measured till date is 50 foot tall. And the unit numbers will be depending on the buying probability of the countries. So if more countries want to keep their country secure from the tsunami, then they'll buy more products, and then that will depend on the number of products per unit. So we are going to first, as a basic, we are going to start with the Ring of Fire. That is where tsunamis is prone, or you get more tsunamis happen over there. And so as we are going to keep it there,
Yeah, so I have a question. How much energy you can store?
Your voice is not audible. Can you be bit more louder, Saurav?
How much energy you can produce with the help of this model, especially the tidal energy?
Okay, so on our estimate scale, we are able to produce at least 5,000 volts from the tidal energy and at least 25,000 volts from the solar panel per day. So this is a really good amount of energy, as we get to produce clean and sustainable energy for the country or for the place which buy.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Thank you, judges, for the